When dry primer sanding a panel which has been repaired using polyester filler, it's critical that this area is blocked. Following an application of 3M dry guide coat, P320 sheets fitted to the appropriate dust-free block will ensure flatness of the repair. "3M superfine soft-backed sponges should be used on panel edges and other areas inaccessible to machines. Additional guide coat is applied before the whole area is machine sanded with P500 gold discs on a fine action sander. This removes any directional sanding scratches created during the previous blocking and hand sanding operation. Soft density backup pads are recommended for additional conformability and efficient dust extraction. A 3M Scotch-Brite ultrafine grey disc is used to remove sanding debris from the panel, giving a consistent surface finish. It also speeds up the degreasing process before painting. When dry primer sanding panels which don't contain polyester filler repairs, no blocking is required. Following an application of 3M dry guide coat, awkward areas of the primer can be hand sanded with a superfine softback sponge. "3M 216U soft-backed products provide a suitable alternative. Grey Scotch-Brite is ideal for removing any surface loading and prolonging the life of these abrasive pads. A P500 disc attached directly to a soft backup pad is used to machine sand the remaining flat areas. For panels with contours, a 3M soft interface pad should be fitted. This is not recommended for flat panels as it may cause a rippling effect on the primer. Again, a 3M Scotch-Brite grey disc removes surface dust before degreasing.